Hey everyone, today is Mudra Monday, and today's mudra is the Vajrapradama Mudra, which it helps with unshakable trust. And this is for cultivating enthusiasm, trust, and confidence. It also helps with the respiratory system and also with relieving tension in the chest, ribs, and back, and also helps with depression. So this is essentially what you do. You take your hands like this, the palms facing towards you, and you are interconnecting, um, hold on, your fingers together like this. And you place them at your heart center. And just relax your shoulders and drop your elbows near the side of your body. And just get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed just for a few minutes. Take this time for yourself. And close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And sigh it out. And another deep breath in through your nose. And sigh it out. And just continue to breathe through your nose. Ensuring that your breath is long on the inhale and the exhale. Just relaxing your mind, your emotions, relaxing your body, your muscles, your organs, just intending to relax with every breath. Just breathing through that mudra. Just allowing your body to relax and that mudra to encourage and cultivate. Releasing the tension, cultivating that love, that trust, the confidence within you. Releasing anything that might be holding you back, so that you can proceed and move forward in confidence, in trust. Knowing that you have the wisdom and the knowledge to move forward on your path. Continue to breathe, allowing that breath to just flow easily. If you experience any tension in your chest area, ribs or back, maybe due to anxiety or feeling overwhelmed, just continue to breathe. Being intentional about releasing any of that energy that is stuck. Allowing that breath to flow through the mudra, intending the mudra to allow that energy to be released. Letting go of any thoughts and emotions that might be lingering, that no longer serve you. Know that you are capable and you are worthy and you are loved. Just take this time for yourself. Allow this breath to flow. Allow this mudra to assist you on your journey. Now you can stay here as long as you like, just enjoying the benefits of this mudra, of your breath. And whenever you are ready, you can slowly bring yourself out and back into your body, back into the space. Just take your time, there's no hurry. Thank you for being here. Namaste.